Let us call out the absolute garbage advice dominating the Indian internet right now. If you type how to make extra money online in 2026 in YouTube, some generic influencer will tell you to sell websites to local businesses or sell low effort Canva templates, both of which are overcrowded marketplaces in 2026. It is an absolute waste of your cognitive energy. But before I give you the high leverage blueprints that actually work today, we need to establish a brutal psychological boundary line. You cannot start a profitable side hustle if you have zero skills in hand. Let us burn the toxic internet delusion right now. There is no magic software, no lazy automated trick, and no shortcut that will credit thousands into your bank account without you putting any effort or doing absolutely nothing. If you look at the methods I'm about to drop and your immediate response is, oh, but Snick, this looks actually too hard and I do not know how to do it, then I think you need to grow up. Nail down one thing in your mind. We do not get rich doing nothing. Every single rupee you earn in the digital economy is a direct reflection of a specific problem you solve for someone else. And if you don't have a skill, your first side hustle is to lock yourself in a room and build one. But if you're ready to take accountability and execute, let's look at the raw data, the exact success rates, and the timelines of the 5 best side hustles in India right now. Hustle number 1 and 2, the creative assets. The first one is high ticket graphic asset engineering. Do not get scared. This is by far the easiest. Because the internet is currently drowning with faceless AI generated robotic videos, real human creators and brands are demanding extreme premium. But the saddest part is they are fighting an attention war. They need high retention YouTube thumbnails and sharp Instagram carousel layouts to survive. The ease of starting this business is very easy. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and 10 days of aggressively studying design psychology. You can learn both design psychology and composition rules on platforms like Canva or Photoshop. The success rate of this business is probably the highest, 75 to 85%. Why? Because there is zero overhead capital. If a client rejects your pitch, all you lose is a few hours of your time and nothing from your savings. Timeline to earn your first rupee is between 14 to 30 days. It takes exactly as long as it takes you to cold DM 50 creators with a personalized, dramatically redesigned sample of their old works to prove your worth. Second is ghostwriting for Indian founders. And trust me when I say this, I would want someone to ghostwrite for me. Every startup founder, CEO, and a venture capitalist in India wants to build a personal brand on LinkedIn to attract funding and top tier talent. But they're completely clueless on how to write engaging hooks and they lack the time to post consistently. Ease of starting this business is easy. No expensive software required, just a deep understanding of text formatting, hook frameworks, and copywriting psychology. Success rate is a massive 70% because the corporate demand in places like Mumbai, Gurgaon, and Bangalore completely outstrips the supply of actual good writers. A realistic timeline to earn your first rupee through this is 3 to 4 weeks. You pitch them by sending 3 pre-written, highly engaging posts specifically tailored to their industry. And once they see an engagement spike, they lock you onto a monthly retainer. Now coming to hustle number 3 and 4, these are the premium operations. And I did not just want this video to be service-based products. I also wanted to include physical products in it. So these are them. Third one is niche specific gourmet home baking. Do not start a general bakery selling standard cakes. That market is dead. Instead, you focus exclusively on premium high margin micro niche like maybe sourdough bread or custom fondant cake or a gourmet keto specific snack. And these are to be targeted to your affluent urban demographic, which is also known as the 9% premium segment in India. Ease of starting this business is medium because you already have a kitchen. All you will need is an FSSAI basic registration, which is incredibly cheap and can be done online, and gorgeous premium packaging. That is essential. Success rate of these kind of businesses are somewhere between 45 to 55%, and it depends entirely on whether you're targeting health conscious, wealthy neighborhoods or if you're generically competing with local bakeries. Timeline to earn your first rupee is somewhere between 2 to 3 weeks. The moment you drop sample boxes to local apartment societies and WhatsApp networks, high margin weekend orders start rolling in. Fourth one is another one of my favorite businesses, hyper local cloud cleaning consultation. This is an incredible operation model. All you'll have to do is purchase one professional industrial vacuum and a shampooing machine for maybe 15,000 or 30,000 tops. You do not have to do the manual labor yourself. All you'll have to do is hire a gig worker or a student who's willing to handle weekend home visits while you manage digital marketing in the backend and take orders directly via your phone. Ease of starting this business is again medium. It requires a tiny bit of initial capital and some weekend coordination. Success rate of this business is 60%. Urban Indian families will gladly pay these kind of high premiums for specialized deep cleaning of luxury sofas and carpets and mattresses, which their local homemade cannot do. This is by far the fastest timeline to your first rupee. It takes somewhere between 7 to 10 days. All you'll have to do is run highly targeted local Instagram geo ads directly pointing at wealthy high-rise complexes, which will fill your weekend booking calendar almost instantly. Hustle number 5 uses a bit of intellectual leverage, and this one is specialized micro consulting marketplaces. If you spent your early 20s building elite professional skills, whether that is navigating financial advisory or whether that is clearing specific international accounting papers or handling university applications or preparing legal documentation, you should not let that knowledge sit idle. All you'll have to do is list 45-minute strategic advisory slots on platforms like TopMate for consultation purposes. Again, TopMate is not sponsored. I recently discovered what TopMate is, but the concept is beautiful and people are actually earning via the platform. Another alternative I can suggest is you creating videos for platforms like Skillshare or Udemy or Coursera. The ease of starting this business is very easy. You simply link your existing LinkedIn profile to a landing page and seamlessly integrate it with your UPI gateway. Success rate of this business is one of the highest, sitting at 80%. And this is pure unadulterated profit because your only inventory is currently sitting idle inside your head. Timeline to start making your first rupee is 30 to 60 days. It scales up the exact moment you start publishing high valuable free educational content on your feed. That proves to your target audience that you are a definitive battle tested subject matter expert. And to wrap this all up, the bottom line is very simple. The digital economy in India is an absolute gold mine, but it completely filters out the lazy. So you will have to think strategically which category do you want to fall in. Stop looking for an easy exit. Stop scrolling through videos, hoping to find a passive income miracle that requires zero brain power. Pick a vehicle, build the actual underlying skill, accept the initial friction, and push your asset live into the market. It's as simple. Sink or swim, baby. My entire professional adventure was built on this exact ground of survival execution. I didn't sit around waiting for a perfect corporate salary. I experimented, learned sales under pressure, managed chaotic retail operations, and constantly upgraded my leverage. This kind of pressure builds a type of self-belief where you become completely unkillable. If you're ready to stop playing defensive, build a bulletproof career, and engineer true financial leverage, hit the subscribe button right now. Drop a comment below with the exact skill you're committing to master this month. No excuses. Let's see who's actually ready to step up and work. Thanks for spending another strategic day with me. Stay disciplined, trust your value, and go build your empire. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.